Hey there, viewers! Toxins bombard us from every angle. They exist in the air we breathe, the cosmetics and cleaning products we use, the water we drink, and the foods we eat. Even mental stress ups our toxic load. That's why detoxing has become such a buzzword. It's everything from diets, cleanses, and other quick fixes that claim to eliminate toxins. Our bodies already have built-in systems to boot these bad guys, but our body's natural cleaning crew can get overwhelmed. In today's video, we will tell you how to give your body a helping hand. From drinking more water, limiting alcohol, reducing stress, fasting, to practicing yoga, and more. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Limit sugar. One of the best detox routines is to cut down on sugar. High sugar consumption can lead to obesity, diabetes, chronic heart disease, and more. These diseases obstruct the body's ability to naturally detoxify by harming certain parts that may play an important role, such as the liver or kidney. High consumption of sugary items can cause fatty liver, which can negatively impact the liver function. Have you ever tried cutting back on sugar? How long were you able to go without it? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2. Drink more water. If there's a shortcut to ridding your body of unwanted toxins, it's water. Not only does water promote detoxification, it also regulates body temperature, aids digestion, assists in cell renewal, and keeps your tissues strong and healthy. Your daily intake depends on a lot of different factors, but current standards recommend just under 4 liters per day for men and almost 3 liters per day for women. Here's a bonus tip. Start the day off right by drinking a big glass first thing in the morning. Number 3. Eat more fruits and vegetables. 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables daily provide the body with vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants. Although some detox plans focus on juicing, it's actually better to eat the whole fruits and vegetables. The whole version will provide fiber that fills you up and keeps some toxins moving through your body more quickly. While all choices of fruits and vegetables are beneficial, some can help support the body's natural detoxification process in particular. These include artichokes, berries, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and garlic. Try to eat a colorful mix of fruits and vegetables so you're getting a range of different antioxidants. Include some dark leafy greens like spinach or kale in what you regularly eat. Round out your fruit and vegetable intake with whole grain foods like barley and quinoa, low-fat dairy, and lean protein. Eat as many whole foods as you can. Number 4. Get more sleep. Do you feel tired most of the day? Maybe you're not getting enough shut-eye. Inadequate sleep is a common problem across the US, with more than a third of people not getting enough. Sleep is when our brain gets rid of excess protein and waste. Less sleep also tends to make people cranky, and that can lead to poorer food choices. Adults should get 7 or more hours of sleep nightly. Number 5. Limit alcohol. It's common sense. If you want to eliminate toxins from your body, stop taking them in. Alcohol in particular has a detrimental effect on your sleep and takes a huge toll on your liver, which breaks the alcohol down into acetaldehyde, a chemical known to cause cancer. If that wasn't bad enough, it also slows down your metabolism. So if you've been struggling with cellulite, put down the wine. It should go without saying that smoking is a big no-no as well, but then again, it always has been. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 6. Take good care of your skin. Yes, your skin absolutely has to do with the body's detoxification process. The skin is the body's largest detox organ. One way to enhance detoxing through the skin is through sweating. Infrared saunas can be a solid option if you want to get really sweaty, or simply sweating for at least 10 minutes 3 to 4 times a week during a workout can help. Dry brushing is another form of skincare you can try once in a while to exfoliate and remove the very top layer of the skin. It will open up the pores and allow more detoxing to take place. Another way to open up the pores, go makeup-free once in a while. You can also get a massage to improve circulation and improve your body's natural detoxification processes. Number 7. Limit stress. While this is easier said than done, minimizing your stress levels can go a long way towards keeping your body in balance. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that has been linked to countless negative impacts on your health. These negatives include weight gain, increased blood pressure, high cholesterol, and heart disease. Limiting the amount of cortisol in your bloodstream can go a long way towards helping your body rid itself of other toxins. Number 8. Go organic. Picking only organic fruits, vegetables, meat, and dairy products slashes your exposure to a lot of toxins. These include pesticides, hormones, antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and GMOs, reducing the burden on your body's natural detox process. If organic produce is too much of a budget buster, check out the Environmental Working Group's annual Shopper's Guide to Pesticides and Produce to see which fruits and vegetables ranked highest and lowest in pesticides. Going green on cleaning supplies and using only natural personal care products can further cut your contact with chemicals. Number 9. Try fasting. Before going backwards to eliminate built-up toxins, you have to put on the brakes. Fasting helps you do this. It's kind of like a reset button. Besides preventing harmful food chemicals from entering your body, fasting, along with appropriate hydration, helps clean out your vital organs, including your liver. Some research suggests that a fast of about 58 hours can help increase antioxidants and have anti-aging effects. For a detox, keep your fast between 1 to 3 days. Number 10. Take a steam bath. This should be the capstone of every successful body detoxification process. Steam therapy helps provide cellular deep elimination of stubborn toxins that accumulate in your body. Steam utilizes multiple mechanisms in helping clear out your body of bad stuff while leaving you refreshed and revived. Number 11. Lower your salt intake. Excessive salt intake can cause your body to retain excess fluid if you have kidney or liver problems, or if your daily water intake is less. Excess fluid in your body can cause bloating, so it's advised to drink lots of water to eliminate excess water weight from eating too much salt. Eat foods rich in potassium to counterbalance the sodium effects. Include potatoes, bananas, kidney beans, and spinach in your diet. Eating too much salt can wreak havoc on your body. The good thing is that your body will give signs when there's too much. Learn more by watching 7 warning signs you're eating too much salt. Now back to easy ways to detox your body naturally. Number 12. Cut down on caffeine. We know that's something easier said than done, but try replacing it with some green tea, lime tea, or ginger tea, which is actually a better alternative. Caffeinated drinks can affect your digestion and add up more toxins in your body. It's always better to opt for a green tea, which apart from cleansing your body promotes weight loss and boosts your metabolic rate. Number 13. Practice yoga. One of the best ways to detoxify your body and mind is to practice the calming art of yoga. Certain yoga poses help improve the digestive process, which in turn helps in weight loss too. Yoga also calms your body and mind, producing happy hormones. Without these good hormones, toxins can never be flushed from the body. Number 14. Eat more prebiotics. Gut health is important for keeping your detoxification system healthy. Your intestinal cells have a detoxification and excretion system that protects your gut and body from harmful toxins, such as chemicals. Good gut health starts with prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut called probiotics. With prebiotics, your good gut bacteria are able to produce nutrients that are beneficial for health. The good bacteria in your gut can become unbalanced with bad bacteria from use of antibiotics, poor dental hygiene, and diet quality. Consequently, this unhealthy shift in bacteria can weaken your immune and detoxification systems and increase your risk of disease and inflammation. Eating foods rich in prebiotics can keep your immune and detoxification systems healthy. Good food sources of prebiotics include tomatoes, artichokes, bananas, asparagus, onions, garlic, and oats. While these tips can help you detox naturally, you should also make sure that the cleansing process is not just a once-a-year thing. One of the best ways to do it is by making sure you eat the right foods and drink the correct drinks every day. Learn more about the best food and drinks for detoxification by watching 10 great foods that naturally cleanse your body, or 15 juices that will detox your body naturally. So go ahead and watch one or both the videos if you want to rid your body of toxins for good. Have you ever tried detoxing? Did it work out for you? Let us know in the comment section below.